Hi everybody, welcome back to Beth Unboxes. Today we're going to look and see what came in my icon box for May. If you are not familiar with the Icon Box by IPSY, it is a quarterly upgrade to the BoxyCharm box. The BoxyCharm subscription is $30 a month. This one is $60 a quarter. So for the month you get the Icon Box, you will not get the BoxyCharm box, and you'll be charged $60 instead of $30. This will have 8 full-size items in it. It's curated by a celebrity each month who will pick 2 or 3 of the items that are going to be in the box for everyone, and then you get to pick the rest from the list of options available to you. So for today's box, it is curated by Patrick Starr. There is a lot of really cool stuff in here, and I cannot wait to get inside of it. Just looking at it, you guys, it's so full of stuff. Let's check and see what we got today. Our first item is from Fenty Skin, and this is an exfoliating body scrub. This is it's called Buff Rider. So this is the Buff Rider exfoliating body scrub from Fenty Skin. Let's check out the retail value of that one. The Fenty Skin says it is a $34 value. Our next one is from Avrani, and this is Hair and Scalp Recovery Oil, and this is a Amla and Bond Complex. I have never heard of this brand. It says it strengthens, defrizzes, and hydrates your scalp. So this is a pre-wash treatment. You will apply 3 to 4 droppers full directly to the scalp and massage throughout. Leave on for about 10 minutes to an hour before washing out. And I believe this was one of my picks. And it's a really pretty bottle, a really pretty box. It's got nice yellow and blue design on that. Let's see what the bottle looks like. It is a beautiful blue bottle, and it is the type of, I'm gonna go ahead and open it. The kind of top it is you push down this and it fills up the dropper. So once you, and then you squeeze it again to let it out. So instead of the pipette kind of thing, this has a push, and when you twist it down, it closes it so you won't accidentally squeeze it and get it all in there. So really great product. I cannot wait to try that. Definitely gonna add that to my hair routine, if you want to call it that. It's a good one. All right, so our next item is from One Size, which is Patrick Starr's brand, and this is a Cheek Clapper 3D Blush Trio. This was one of Patrick's picks for the box, and it's got 3 blushes in it, as I recall. It's really pretty packaging too. I like the red on the inside. Is the pink plastic with the OS on the front. It tells you on the back what the colors are. The colors, we have a shimmer, a matte, and a cream. The bottom one is a cream, the middle one is the matte, and the top one is a shimmer. And the cream blush comes with a plastic cover, so you won't get your powders in on your cream and make it all sticky. So that's a really cool design, actually. I like that a lot. So very cool pick from Patrick on that one. The blush trio is a $38 value. Our next item is another pick that Patrick put in the box. This is from the One Size brand, and this is Fantasize Ultimate Lifting and Lengthening Mascara. The mascara is a $25 value. I'm curious to see what the brush looks like on this one. Ooh, look at that gorgeous packaging. It's shiny red. It's got little smiley faces all over it. That is a nice fluffy brush. It does seem to be, I don't think it looks like natural fibers, but it's a really nice brush. I do like that. Okay, so our next one is from the new company, and this is Relax Water Therapy Calm and De-Stress, and this is a perfume. The information for this product is not in the pamphlet. I don't remember seeing it on the picks. I may have picked this one, but this says it's a functional fragrance to help you de-stress and unwind using patented olfactory technology with sandalwood, seaweed, clary sage, and fir with marine salt and amberwoods. Now that I'm reading it, I do remember picking it. So I did pick this one. I'm curious to see what that one smells like. Ooh, look at that. That's a gorgeous, beautiful blue bottle. I can't wait to see what this smells like. I sprayed something on that hand already, so let's see. It does smell more like aromatherapy than a perfume, but it's meant to actually unwind you. It says use daily as required to relax and recenter. So this might be something I would spray on in the evenings just to relax. But if you have a stressful life and you need something to chill you out during the day, this might be a good thing too. I almost feel like I smell a little spice in it, like a cinnamon, but it didn't mention a cinnamon. This one is not on the pamphlet, and I do not remember what the value of it was, but it's a nice one. The next item in the box is from 5 cents, and this is Life of the Party, and this is another fragrance. So there's actually 2 fragrances in this box. One I picked, and I believe this one is one that Patrick picked. This is clean vegan fragrances, and this is cruelty-free, purpose-driven, eco-conscious. So pretty cool. And this one says it is black currant, peach blossom, saffron, midnight jasmine, and ambro. So that is a really cool. And let me see what it looks like. I'm not going to run out of perfume anytime soon. That's clear. This is a nice kind of earthy, natural looking bottle. It does feel like it's glass. It's got a wooden lid. And oops. And it is a spray bottle. I'm going to just spray it inside the box and see what it smells like here. Ooh, that's really nice. This one it said it had fruit. I can definitely tell the fruit in this. It's nice and fresh and really lovely. I like this one a lot. I'm going to use this one. I have way too many perfumes, but you can't ever have too many perfumes. Can you? Can you really? Can you have too many perfumes? I don't think so. I really like this one. It's a great one. Again, from 5 cents, Know Your Energy, Life of the Party. The value for this one is $65. So great value. Again, box is only $60 total, and you got a $65 value just in this one fragrance. So super nice. The next items in here are from Fenty. This is a refillable lipstick. So we have the case and we have the lipstick. This Fenty lipstick, it is a semi-matte refillable lipstick, $32. I'm going to put these together later, but I'm going to show you the case is a really pretty hexagon shaped. It says Fenty on the side. The lipstick refill is in this little box. And that is a really pretty, just neutral shade. So really pretty. I like those. So again, the Fenty is going to be a $32 retail value. Our next item is from Saturday Skin. This is called Pretty Pop, which is probiotic power whipped cream. And there is, let's see the front of the box. This one is, and the Saturday Skin says it is a $45 value. And I want to show you what the inside looks like. It is pretty, kind of iridescent, holographic print in a super thin bottle, but it is a really pretty cream. That was our icon box for May. I think we got some really good stuff in there. We definitely got our money's worth. If you enjoyed the video and you would like to see more of this kind of content, please hit the subscribe button, hit that notifications bell, hit the like button. But for now, I hope you have a great rest of your day. And thank you so much for joining me on Beth Unboxes. You guys have a great one. Bye-bye.